Okay. I just finished shoveling. Here's some snow. Of course, the landlord came out, thank Ben, and plowed out our little area. This is my backyard. Hello, snow. Okay, here we are. And I had to shovel and clear it off. I even went down to the end of the alley. And I shoveled that out at the end, way down there. Here again is a big old snowbank. Quite a lot of snow this year. But being from upstate New York, I'm used to snowbanks 3 times as high. So I've been busy. This is my finished work. And Ben kind of like covered up the path to the mailbox and the trash can. So we're just going to go around the front to do that instead of me shoveling through this big old thing. I don't think so. So, and there's my little Christmas tree. Yep, still got the tree, believe it or not. I love my little tree. I don't know, I'll get rid of it soon. Anyway, so yeah, here's some more snow over here. I cleaned off the car. Yeah, needs to go to the car wash. So, yeah, this is our result of the blizzard. This is the neighbors next door and the snow over there. Okay, well, time to go in and get some hot tea, probably. Oh, I love this icicle. I broke it when I was shoveling, because I took all the icicles off the edge of the house there, the eaves. But that's pretty wind chime stuck in there. Isn't that cool? Yeah, this icicle went way down there. I put it on another video that I had just put music to. So, okay, well, this is Ground Hog Day. Happy Ground Hog Day, everybody. Okay, we'll catch you later.